how to play Mary Had a Little Lamb Intermediate Level 3. Now all you have to do is to remember what you did in Intermediate Level 2. Take away the left hand, we'll add that back in Intermediate Level 4, and try to play the melody of the song within the chord you've already learnt in the previous level. So this is Mary had, Mary had. So Mi, Re, Do. We are using our 5-4-3. Then our thumb keeps pressing the saw. So that's how you do the Mi, Re, Do. Now this saw is from the Do chord. You know that the Do chord owns this line, like Mary had a little lamb. So the saw is from that chord. You use it every time to harmonize the melody of the song, like. So you come to your Re, Re, then you go to your your Mi. Now your Mi, each phrase was wide, is in the saw timeline. So each phrase was wide as snow. So that wide is during the timeline of the saw, right? So that's why I only moved this, but I left my hand in the saw chord. So now it looks like a Mi chord, but this is the saw chord. Wide is added to it because wide is on the timeline of the saw. So that's how you play as an intermediate level player 3.